If you guys thought we had wrapped up the D41 Snorkel, go ahead and guess again. Guys, I'm Cameron with Z1 Off-Road. Today I'm here to introduce you to the all-new carbon fiber snorkel for the D41 Frontier. So, why a carbon fiber snorkel? Well, guys, carbon fiber is cool, and we wanted to make that available for the off-road guys. So, when we were designing the snorkel, we found that the way it was designed and manufactured for the rotomolded ones also allowed it to be made from carbon fiber relatively easily. So with a few small tweaks, we ended up with a very similar package that gives you a now ultralight carbon fiber snorkel to fit to your D41 Frontier. So a couple things to note about this. It's going to mount the same way as the rotomolded one does. We're still going to include a thermoformed 3D template for you with all of these snorkels. They're still going to mount with an A-pillar bracket that does not require any drilling, and they're going to enhance the sound and, most importantly, the aesthetics of your truck. Another difference is instead of a molded in logo, we went with a adhesive mounted badge. We thought that that was a little bit more of a premium look, and we wanted to keep it sleek, and we wanted to make it a cool exterior product. So why a matte finish? So a couple things that we wanted to address with the carbon fibers. We wanted it to stay looking cool for a long time. We wanted it to maintain its nice finish. We didn't want it to get destroyed on the trails. We know that a lot of times you get the pinstriping that comes from going down narrow trails, and we didn't want that to completely destroy the finish on a carbon fiber snorkel. So we looked at gloss and matte options, and based on our experiences with all the motorsports gloss stuff, we determined that a matte finish would be more beneficial for our off-road customers. We thought that that would be the route that would lead to the longest lasting, nicest looking finish. We have here a special version of the snorkel head specifically for the carbon fiber versions. This version has an integrated fascia that is made from aluminum and anodized black and then riveted in place. So you're not going to have to worry about any hardware up top on your snorkel head. And it's going to install the same way. We still have the same notch on the front to indicate a forward-facing view. We just have a couple more notches in the head to allow for a little bit better compression. Another big difference is the weight, of course. So this one is ultralight. Not that the original one was heavy, but this is a very lightweight platform as well. It will give you a little bit different of a tone sitting up there at the driver's window. Those of you guys with snorkels already can confirm. You bring all those engine noises up to the window and it sounds pretty cool. So with the carbon fiber snorkel, you're going to get your intake up and out of the way, out of the dust, out of the water, and the air coming into your engine bay is going to be almost as cool as your truck's going to look. So if you're looking to pick up your carbon fiber snorkel today and enhance your truck, go on over to z1offroad.com and get yours today.